Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning. Welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and I am a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And one of the main things I love to do on this channel is order online liquidation, unbox it here live on my channel, and then come back 90 days later to let you know if I actually made a profit. So today we have an unboxing video. This is the Everlane women's denim box from Helpsy source. If you want to see what they sent me, definitely stick around. So I have been sort of cycling through the Everlane boxes from Helpsy source, majority of them so far, and I have some 90-day updates coming up on some of my earlier ones, but they've been relatively profitable so far. So I haven't tried the women's denim, I've tried the men's denim, but not the women's. So that's what we're unboxing today. If you do like reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. 90% of my reseller business is purchased online liquidation. I don't keep it a secret where I get my stuff from. I love sharing with you what comes in these boxes in hopes that it helps you make decisions in your own reseller business. And definitely consider dropping me a like. That also helps out my channel a lot. Definitely lets me know that you like this kind of content. So this is the Everlane women's 20-piece denim box. Everything in here should be new with tag or new without tag, I believe. This is a $360 box for 20 pieces as listed on the website. Helpsy source rocks because they did give me an affiliate code, which is oh yeah. If you want to use it, you can take 10% off your order at helpsysource.com. I will put the link below. And they also let me take 10% off my own order. So this box actually cost me $324. If there are 20 pieces in here, that means each piece is $16.20 per piece. Now that is a little bit steep, I would say, for denim. A little bit higher than my comfort zone, I should say. But I have been selling Everlane denim for $50 to $60 per piece. Especially the women's has done pretty well for me. The few I've gotten my hands on so far. So I'm pretty confident that that was still a good buy, but I guess it depends on what's in here. I did peek inside this box. I do like to open these live on my channel, and I had a whole bunch of inventory dropped off or delivered on the same day. So I did have to just peek to see what was inside. I haven't really looked at it. It's still pretty much taped, but I'll open it. I'll show you guys everything here. And then I do use List Perfectly. It's like the foundation of my reseller business. I draft everything in my List Perfectly catalog, and then I cascade it out to at least 3 different platforms. Everlane I would probably put on 4 to 5 different platforms. It gives everything it gives all my items the best chance of sale having it on multiple platforms, and List Perfectly does make it super, super easy to get everything listed quickly. And then if it does sell, it's really easy to take it down from all the other platforms. So anyway, here is what comes inside here. And it really is just a bunch of random denim pieces. I see some different colors. So let's just dive right in. These are the original cheeky jean in a size 33 regular. I actually received a couple of these styles I ordered the Everlane men's denim box, and there were a few of these styles in it, and they have sold pretty decently, so I'm not mad about that. These are not white, but these are like maybe off-white, like bone, and they are also new with tag. These are a size 28 regular. So a smaller size, but that's okay. 28 is still a good size. Color is called Ecru, by the way, if you were wondering. These are the Way High Wide Leg Flare in a size 30 ankle. Wow. Very nice. Low stretch, high rise, size 30. 30 ankle. These are new without tag. I don't see a tag on these. Size 25 long. What's the style? The Way High jean. The Way High jean in a size 25 long. Yeah, I guess these are long. They have a like a raw hem. But I would say they're long inseam just by looking at them. So these have this tag, but no other tag. This is the way high jean in a size 27 long. Oh, just kidding. They have this tag over here. Okay, the way high jean in size 27 long. Since we're doing black jeans. Okay, actually these are the exact same. The way high jean size 27 long. It's just another pair of the same jeans. And these don't have any tags at all, so new without tag. These are the way high jean in a size 33 long. So same style, just different size. These are also new without tag. The original cheeky jean, organic cotton, size 30 regular. Here's another pair of white. These are the E-Crew jeans again, the original cheeky jean, size 29. I think these are going to be a duplicate. Now they're at the bottom of my pile, the first pair, so I can't check. But if anything, it's the same pair of jeans, different size. That's okay too. These are the original cheeky jean in a size 24 crop. Yeah, definitely these have a cropped length. Size 31, the 90s way high organic cotton. I actually really like the wash on this one. That's a cool wash. Then we have the way high jean in a size 27 crop. Okay, so this is the same style I just showed you a second ago. Different color. The curvy cheeky jean, size 32 crop. All right, these are new with tag. The curvy way high jean, size 29 regular. These do not have, okay, this doesn't have any hang tags, but they do have this tag back here. Couple more in here. This is only 20 pieces. I feel like it's going fast. The curvy 90s cheeky street jean, size 28 crop. Okay, these are button fly. Let's see. Ooh, these are stretchy. First pair of stretchy jeans in the whole box. These are the way high skinny jean, size 27 regular. I'm okay with a pair of skinny jeans. Some people really still like skinny jeans. I am not one of those people, but they're out there, I swear. These are the way high jean, size 34 long. These are so heavy. And I think two more, maybe three more. These are the original cheeky jean, size 32 crop. Two more. Okay, two more. These are the way high jean, size 26 regular. Black in color. And the last pair, the curvy way high jean, 31 regular in the black. Okay, I was not counting as we went, so let me just go ahead and make sure there are indeed 20 pair of jeans here. All right, so I counted exactly 20 pair of jeans. My initial thoughts, and of course the real results will be after 90 days, but initially I would say, I I like the style variety. I like the size and color variety. There is a mix of smaller and larger sizes, but it does seem to be heavier on the larger sizes, which is kind of nice. Everything looks to be new with tag or new without tag as described. I mean, I did not see any flaws just going through. Of course, I will look at everything a little bit more closely as I list everything, but everything looked to be in perfect condition as described. I really like selling denim, especially this time of year as we get into back to school season. It really is a hot seller for me. And Everlane denim, you know, it's a sustainable brand. It retails pretty high and it has a decent resale value. So I'm thinking that I'm going to do pretty well with these, given the time of year that I'm listing them and given the condition and the variety of sizes. Definitely let me know what you think though. If you've ordered this before or if you have any experience selling Everlane's women's denim, let me know in the comments. I'm super interested to know what you think. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see the 90-day update, and also make sure you're subscribed if you want to see more unboxings. I have a ton of inventory that just came in and I'm unboxing everything live on this channel, so definitely stick around for that. Drop me a like on the way out if you're still here. That's definitely helpful too. Don't forget, you can also source on helpsysource.com. The website's below. You can use my code OHYEAH for 10% off your entire order anytime you shop. And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.